Need to send someone an important document like your ID, bank statement, videos or anything. Most people upload it to Google Drive or OneDrive, generate a sharing link, then configure permissions, and the file just stays there until you remember to delete it. There is one free website which solves this problem. Use this free website called MarsDrop. Just drag and drop a file you want to share. Choose how long the file should stay online, maybe 1 hour, 1 day or 7 days. Then choose how many times it can be downloaded, even just one download if you want. After somebody downloads the file one time, the link will be auto-destroyed. You can also protect it with a password. Now click Encrypt and Upload. It gives you a secure link that you can send over email, message app, WhatsApp or any app. The best part is, nobody needs to create an account. Not you, not the person downloading it. Once the expiry time is over or the download limit is reached, the file disappears automatically. According to the developers, your file is encrypted inside your browser before it is uploaded, so even their servers can't read the content. Just keep in mind that you can only share files up to 150 megabytes. Pretty useful if you regularly share personal or confidential documents. If you found this video useful, hit the like button so more people can discover it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.